Welcome back to the She Speaks AI channel. Today, we are demonstrating how easy and quick it is to use the power of AI to transform your photos. With just a few clicks, you can turn ordinary photos into extraordinary masterpieces or make subtle changes like color to give it a new look. Whether you're a professional photographer looking to streamline your workflow, or a hobbyist wanting to add that wow factor to your images, we've got you covered. Don't miss out on more incredible insights and techniques from the She Speaks AI channel. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay up to date with the newest AI tools, passive income strategies, and products. Let's thrive together.
All right, guys, so here we're going to show you how to go from this to this, or even to this. So we're going to learn how to take those graphics that you create either with using AI or maybe even your own photos, and you just want to make some changes to it, and you're able to do that. And the feature that we're going to be talking about is in Canva. And so it actually is Canva's magic edit. And it's a glorious thing. So here we have, this is the original photo. And then I changed the jacket and the bow. And you'll see there's some things that, hey, it is what it is. It's the pleasures of AI, okay? But it changed it to pink, and then I had to change all the flowers and everything to white. Now, this white came out some kind of off-white, but I still think it's cute. But it did what I asked it to do. So let me walk you through exactly how I do this. The first thing you want to do is pull your picture in. So I pull my picture into a canvas, no matter what size it is. That's the design you're going to create. You can do that. And then make sure you highlight the design and come over to edit photo. And then you want to grab the magic edit. So I'm going to tap on that. Now here you have your different brush sizes. So you can make your brush bigger, smaller. If you want to get more detailed, then you can, get your, detailed, and then your brush size, you'll see it is smaller, or you can go back to the standard, which is here. Or if you're getting a very large space, then you can do that. So when you click on it, so you can click on it, right? And then when you click on it, you'll notice that the areas that it's going to changes to the color purple. I'm going to change this back to a smaller brush size. And then you're just going to brush over the areas that you want to change. So now you want to only brush over the areas that you want to change, because otherwise, and you can press the undo button. And when you press undo, it actually takes away what changes you made. Now, if you had one continuous stroke, it'll take the whole thing. So if I hold my mouse down and I just do this, and I never let up my mouse or anything. Okay, now I just let up my mouse. And now if I press the back button, let's say, oh no, I didn't mean to get that piece right there. So if I click undo, it's going to take the whole thing. But if I do a little at a time and I just let up off my mouse, that's a second stroke. This is a second stroke. And then this is a third stroke. So now I'm going to say, oh, I made an error there, and I'm going to press undo. So now it just took away that piece of it. Okay. So just so you see how that works, you can select the whole image and change the whole image. And let's see here. So let me go ahead and just color it in here. I call it color it in. And I'm just going to do the jacket because we'll be here all day if I do the other thing. So I'm just going to do the jacket here and just color this in. And then let's do the bow. And then let's do the shoes. Change the shoes. And then let's change the umbrella. Now, It had some trouble with the umbrella. Now, sometimes you just have to keep regenerating, but if it's just not getting it, listen, it just isn't getting it, okay? So this is what I'm going to change. Now, I'm going to come over here and describe your edit. So let's drop that box down. And now it has some suggested prompts here. So I can add a cute dog to the picture. I can add a sculpture. I can do some chocolate glazing, whatever that means. But in this box, you can describe also what you want to add or change. So I'm going to say change color to orange. Okay. And then I'll click generate. Now, the third option was to select a result. So it's going to come up with 4 different results. And we'll see here that the boots have changed. Oh, when I did it to pink, this top part wouldn't change. Listen, let me show you. Oh, I can't show you just now. You'll see. So now you see everything that I selected changed to orange. Now I do have 4 options. So I can choose this one, which is a slight difference. I can choose this one, or I can choose this one. So it's which one do you like? I like this one, right? So then I'm going to choose. Now, if I didn't like any of them, I can choose generate again, and it'll come up with 4 different options. I'm going to click done. And that's how I went. Oh, wrong picture. That's how I went from here to here. Now, in this picture, it would not act right. It would not change this pink on the top here. But as you see here, it changed it to white. So now if I wanted to get definitely new colors or whatever, this is going to be a great option for you to do that. Let's try one more photo here. I'm just going to go and grab a photo. Let's see what it'll do. So let's see here. Let's say that I want to, these are very detailed, but let's choose this. So I just brought this over and I'm just going to drag this out. And I'm going to make sure that the photo is selected, right? So edit photo. This is so simple. And let's say that I only want to change this umbrella. You know, it's a yellow umbrella and I want to change it to, that might change that whole thing up there, but we'll see. But I want to do, and I'm going to describe my edit. I'm going to say change to black, change color to black, okay? And then generate. Now, it had some trouble doing that, right? So far, it's like got yellow. That's not what I want. Let's go ahead and do it again. And it's having some problem doing that. So you can see how it's not perfect. It just is not perfect, okay? So now I can let me go back and, you know, uh when I went backwards, it went back to number 1. So I can do that. Let's try adding in some other detail here. Let's try changing her jacket. I don't know what it's going to do with that umbrella. I'm going to change this brush size just so I can get here a little. And then let's grab these boots. All right, now let's change the color. Change. Oops. My original was still in there, so I could have just did that, but I didn't realize it before I started typing. Change color to pink. And let's click generate and we'll see what happens. All right, love it. Now I didn't get in here, so I could, let's see what the other options are. So you could just regenerate them. And I like this one though. I like that it has a little bit of the yellow since there is yellow there. I see I probably could go here and grab more and do more there. But you get the general idea. I'm gonna press done. And you can refine these things if you want to, but we went from, oh, let me just do this. So we went from that to this. Isn't that lovely? From this. Oh, I changed that, but anyway, I keep going back to the little girl. Y'all must need to see the little girl. This one's going to be in the shop. So go to thecreativeurbanwoman.com, okay? But yeah, so this is how you make these edits in Canva. Now, you can change things up. You can try to change like you saw, and maybe we say we want to edit photo and we're going to do the magic edit. Okay. And right here, I'm going to, describe your edit. And I want to add a cute puppy. So there you have it. That's adding a cute puppy to the picture. I'd have to play around with, oh, she could step on that one. That's probably the best one. This one, there is no puppy, so I don't know what's up with that. I would click generate again. Maybe I should have drew the puppy bigger or put the puppy over here. This one looks better. Yeah, that looks a little bit more better there. And these other ones, well, yeah, no, that's probably the one that I would use. Next time, what I would do is maybe make it a little bit bigger so that it could be a bigger puppy. But anyway, so thanks for joining in today. Remember, we want to go to Canva's Magic Edit, and you can make the changes, simple changes to your graphics. Until we meet again, you be blessed, be fruitful, and multiply.